Air everywhere, but no air to breathe? Hello friends, my name is Lakshay, a student of Teach Nation. I am going to express my views on a topic which is a concern of every one of us, that is pollution in Delhi. Pollution is the most powerful demon that has disturbed the ecological balance of the atmosphere. Now what is this pollution? Pollution refers to the introduction of toxic or harmful substances into the environment which leads to its degradation. Pollution is also a major concern in Delhi, the national capital territory of India. Since its independence, Delhi has achieved a lot of advancement in the field of technology and agriculture. This advancement leads to a lot of waste disposal either in the form of solid, liquid or gas. The gaseous waste disposal leads to air pollution. What are the causes of this air pollution? The main cause of this air pollution is the burning of crops in the neighboring states like Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Moreover, industries set up in Delhi emit air pollutants in the air which leads to air pollution. It may surprise you that the vehicles running on the roads of Delhi emit fumes which contain harmful gases like methane, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Due to all of these reasons, Delhi has become a gas chamber. Also, the AQI means Air Quality Index has turned severe. Friends, the Delhi state government has taken some measures to prevent this pollution. These measures are by putting a ban on construction of buildings, by introducing odd even scheme or policy, by distributing masks in the schools, both government and private. There are some more measures which I suggest you to take or opt. That these measures are by planting more and more trees, by using oxygenating masks, etc. So friends, I urge you all and the state government and the concerned authorities to please come together and save our lovingly Mother Earth. Thank you. If you want to speak English like me, join Teach Nation and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.